A long, long time ago, in a state far, far away, a 19-month-old boy got run over by a car. Do you know who that boy was? Me. My, my parents saw that I was in a coma when they saw me, and then they took me to the hospital, and an ambulance took me to another hospital where I was put on a respirator so I could breathe. They didn't expect me to wake up from the coma though, but I did after only a couple of months. And that's the origin of my disability.